Welcome to this video on solving the unsolvable circuit, where we explore advanced network analysis techniques for complex electrical engineering. Basic series and parallel reduction rules fail for practical engineering networks because they possess complex interconnections. These complex networks require structured analysis methodologies to determine voltage, current, and power. The engineer's toolkit for complex networks includes transformation via star-delta conversions, analysis using loop, mesh analysis, and nodal analysis, and reduction using network theorems. To reshape the network structure, engineers apply specific transformation formulas for star Y or delta configurations. This replaces the original 3 resistors with an equivalent set, allowing for standard series parallel reduction. Mesh analysis is used for planar networks. Engineers assign a current variable to each mesh and apply Kirchhoff's voltage law and Ohm's law to establish simultaneous equations. The supermesh anomaly occurs when 2 interconnected meshes share a dependent or independent current source. These 2 meshes must be evaluated together as a single entity. Nodal analysis evaluates junctions by using node voltages as primary circuit variables. Engineers apply Kirchhoff's current law and Ohm's law to all non-reference nodes to find unknown voltages. The supernode anomaly arises when a voltage source connects directly between 2 non-reference nodes. This source, along with any parallel elements, forms a supernode that is evaluated simultaneously. Mesh analysis uses current as the primary variable and applies Kirchhoff's voltage law. Nodal analysis uses voltage as the primary variable and applies Kirchhoff's current law. Special conditions include supermesh for shared current sources and supernode for shared voltage sources. Network theorems like Thevenin's, Norton's, and superposition enable the ultimate network reduction. They compress complex linear circuits into a simple equivalent circuit with just one active source and one impedance. Network theorems allow engineers to calculate specific loads instantly. By isolating the complex network into a fixed equivalent, the load branch can be swapped endlessly without recalculating the entire system. To command the complex network, transform the shapes, analyze the loops, evaluate the nodes, and reduce the system. Systematic methodologies decode every complex electrical network.